Hello everyone, and welcome back to Will English Channel, where learning English is simple and fun. My name is Emmanuel.
Hello, Emmanuel. Hello, everyone. It's so good to be here today.
Hi Dorcas, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I feel very happy and excited for this episode. And you?
I'm very happy too. I think today's topic is really important.
Yes, very important. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to Will English Channel.
Yes, and also click the like button and share this podcast with your friends and your family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Thank you so much for your support.
So, Dorcas, are you ready?
I am ready. What about you, Emmanuel?
I am ready too. So what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is tell me about yourself and how to talk about yourself in English.
A very common question.
Yes, people ask this question all the time, in a new class, at a new job, in interviews, or when you meet new people.
It's true. And sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Exactly. So today we will talk about it, and we will make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. So who starts? You or me?
How about you start? Emmanuel, tell me about yourself.
My name is Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Most people say it the French way. I've always liked my name. It feels soft and calm.
Emmanuel. Yes, it does sound calm. Nice to meet you, Emmanuel. My name is Dorcas.
Nice to meet you too, Dorcas. Your name is very unique. I don't hear it often.
Yes, people tell me that a lot. When I was younger, I didn't like it, but now I think it fits me perfectly.
Funny how that happens. You grow into your own name.
Exactly. So, name done.
Okay, next question. Dorcas, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I grew up in a town close to Toronto. Lots of trees, quiet streets. It was a peaceful place to grow up.
Canada. Nice. I'm from France. I grew up near Lyon, not too far from the mountains. I remember cold winters and a lot of good food.
Oh, France. I've always wanted to visit Lyon. The pictures look beautiful.
It is. Old buildings, warm cafes. And Canada looks beautiful too. The lakes, the forests.
Yes, nature is everywhere. But winter? Terrible sometimes. Too cold. Way too cold.
I think I'd survive 2 days. Then I'd just sit and cry. So Dorcas, you told me where you're from. But where do you live now?
Right now, I live in Toronto, in Canada. I live in a small apartment on the 3rd floor of an old building. It's not big, but I love it because I have a little balcony. I drink my coffee there almost every morning. And you, Emmanuel, where do you live now?
I live in Paris. Not in the center, but close enough to feel like a real Parisian. I share an apartment with a friend. It's a bit small, but it's cozy, and we have a great view of the rooftops. Do you like living in the city, Dorcas?
I do, yes. I like the energy and the people, but sometimes I miss quiet places. Do you prefer living in a big city or a smaller town, Emmanuel?
Good question. I think I like big cities for the opportunities, but small towns for the peace. I'm still trying to find the perfect balance. Okay, Dorcas, next question. How old are you?
I'm 27 years old. Sometimes I feel young, sometimes I feel older than 27. Life is funny like that. And you, Emmanuel, how old are you?
I'm 32. Some days I feel 18, other days I feel like 50. It depends on sleep and stress. Do you like being 27, Dorcas?
Yes, I think so. It's a good age. I feel like I'm still learning, but more confident than before. Do you feel comfortable at 32?
Most of the time, yes. I think every age has something nice in it. At 32, I know myself better. So Dorcas, what do you do these days? Are you working or studying?
I'm doing both. I study psychology at university, and I work part-time in a coffee shop as a barista. I love talking to people and making coffee. And you, Emmanuel, what do you do?
I work as a graphic designer. I design posters, logos, and sometimes websites. I like my job because it's creative. Do you enjoy studying psychology?
Yes, I really enjoy it. I love understanding people and how they think. Do you enjoy your job as a designer?
I do, yes. Some days are stressful, but creating something from nothing feels amazing. So Dorcas, let's talk about family. How many people are in your family?
Well, in my close family, we are four. My parents, my older brother, and me. We're a small family, but very close. And you, Emmanuel, how many people are in your family?
We are five. My parents, my younger sister, my little brother, and me. So I grew up in a busy house. Did you grow up in a quiet home, Dorcas?
Yes, my home was pretty quiet. My parents worked a lot, and my brother and I spent a lot of time studying or reading. What about your home? Quiet or noisy?
Oh, noisy. My brother played football inside the house, my sister loved singing loudly, and my dad listened to the radio every morning. It was chaos, but good chaos. So Dorcas, what do your parents do?
My mom is a primary school teacher. She loves kids and she's very patient. My dad is an electrician. He fixes things, repairs things. He's very skilled with his hands. And your parents, Emmanuel, what do they do?
My dad works in finance, in an office. He's very organized and serious. My mom used to be a nurse, but she's retired now. She loves gardening. Is your family close, Dorcas?
Yes, very close. We talk on the phone almost every week. What about yours? Are you close too?
Yes, we talk often. We argue sometimes, but we love each other a lot. Dorcas, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have one cat. Her name is Mila. She's small, white, with a little gray, and she loves sleeping on my laptop. Sometimes she follows me around the house like a shadow. And you, Emmanuel? Do you have a pet?
Not now, but I used to have a dog. His name was Oscar. He was a golden retriever, very friendly. He followed me everywhere when I was a kid. Do you prefer cats or dogs, Dorcas?
I think both, but cats fit my life more. They're calm, quiet, independent. What about you, Emmanuel? Are you more of a dog person?
Yes, definitely a dog person. I like their energy and their loyalty. So Dorcas, what's your favorite food?
I think my favorite food is pasta. I love cooking it in different ways. Tomato, cream, vegetables. And you, Emmanuel? What's your favorite food?
Pizza. Always pizza. I never get tired of it. What's your favorite color, Dorcas?
My favorite color is green. It reminds me of forests, nature, calm places. And you, Emmanuel? What's your favorite color?
Blue. It feels peaceful to me. And your favorite animal?
A cat, of course. And yours?
A dog. Always. Dorcas, what are your hobbies?
I love reading. I read almost every night before bed. I also like walking near the lake or in parks. Sometimes I draw a little when I feel inspired. And you, Emmanuel, what are your hobbies?
I like drawing too, especially digital drawing. And I enjoy walking around the city listening to music. Do you read every day, Dorcas?
Not every day, but almost. Do you draw often, Emmanuel?
I try to draw at least once or twice a week. So Dorcas, let's talk about things you like and things you don't like. Let's start with the good part. What are things you really like?
I really like quiet mornings. I love waking up early, making a cup of coffee, and just sitting near the window while the sun comes in. It's my favorite moment of the day. I also love warm blankets in winter and long walks near the lake when the weather is nice. What about you, Emmanuel? What are some things you really like?
I love rainy afternoons, actually. I know some people hate rain, but for me it feels peaceful. I like staying inside, drinking tea, and drawing while I hear the rain outside. I also love Sunday mornings. Slow, relaxed, no rush. Do you like rainy days, Dorcas?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. If I'm at home, I love the sound of rain. But if I have to go outside, then no. It's not so fun. And speaking of things you don't like, let me ask you, what is something you really don't like?
I really don't like crowded supermarkets. When there are too many people, long lines, noise everywhere, I feel stressed instantly. And I don't like waking up very early on winter mornings. It's cold, dark, and my bed feels too comfortable. What about you, Dorcas? What do you not like?
I don't like rude people. Even simple things like someone cutting in line or not saying thank you really bother me. I also don't like very spicy food. My tongue suffers too much. Do you dislike any activities, Emmanuel?
Yes, I don't like ironing clothes. I always burn myself or make more wrinkles. I also don't like running. Some people love it, but for me, it feels like torture. Do you have an activity you dislike?
Yes. I don't like washing dishes after cooking. I love cooking, but when the meal is finished, I just want to relax, not clean the kitchen. And I don't like loud nightclubs. Too much noise, too much chaos. Do you like nightclubs, Emmanuel?
No, not at all. I prefer quiet restaurants or cafes where you can talk normally. Clubs are too loud for me. I like hearing the person I'm talking to.
Same here. I prefer simple, peaceful places. So we both like calm things, and we both dislike chaos.
You know, Dorcas, after talking about everything, our families, our pets, our favorite things, and even the things we dislike, I feel like we've answered, tell me about yourself in the most natural way.
Yes, and it didn't feel like a lesson. It felt like two friends talking and discovering each other. And that's exactly how introducing yourself should feel. Simple, relaxed, honest.
Exactly. When someone says, tell me about yourself, you don't have to give a long speech. You can choose a few small things about your life, like, my name is Dorcas, I'm 27, I study psychology, I have a cat, and I love quiet mornings.
Or, my name is Emmanuel. I live in Paris. I'm a graphic designer. I love rainy afternoons, and I don't like crowded places.
Yes, natural, simple, and real. Just like our conversation today.
And the best part is, you don't need perfect English to talk about yourself. You just need to be sincere and friendly.
Right. People remember the feeling, not the grammar.
Exactly. A smile, a simple sentence, a little detail about your life, and you already have a good introduction.
So the next time someone says, tell me about yourself, remember this conversation.
Yes, just talk like we did. Little pieces of your life, one by one,
It can even create a new friendship.
just like we did here today.
Well, Dorcas, this was a really nice conversation. I honestly enjoyed every part of it. I feel like we shared a lot today.
Me too, Emmanuel. I loved talking about our families, our pets, our hobbies. It felt real and warm. And I hope everyone listening enjoyed it too.
Yes, I hope so. And before we go, we want to remind you of something important. Everyone, please don't forget to subscribe to Will English channel if you haven't already.
Yes, please do. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. It really helps our channel grow.
It helps a lot. Thank you so much for your support.
And now, here is our question of the day. Tell us a little about yourself in the comments. Just 1 or 2 sentences. For example, my name is, I live in, my favorite food is.
Yes, we would really love to read your comments and get to know you better.
Thank you all for listening today. It was a pleasure spending this time with you.
We'll be back soon with another fun and simple English lesson.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye. See you soon.